have eczema and you have been thinking of a way to get rid of eczema, in this video I'm going to show you a remedy that you can use to get rid of every stubborn eczema and to make your skin look smooth. If you want to know more, do not skip this video. Watch this video to the end. Thank you. Hello, you are welcome to Wiki Skincare. In Wiki Skincare, we'll talk about cream product. I will also talk about remedies to stretch mark and remedies to cellulite. In case you are new to my channel, in case you are seeing me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to click on the notification bell. That anytime we post new video, you get a notification that Wiki Skincare has posted new video. To my whole subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. I want to appreciate you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for your like. Thank you for sharing my video. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so very much. Today, I want to talk about how you can get rid of eczema. Eczema is a skin reaction that can happen to anybody. It can happen to an adult, it can happen to little children, it can even happen to baby. So you may be wondering what causes eczema. I'm going to just give you just a little brief of what really causes eczema. Eczema can be gotten through some lighting cream. Maybe you are rubbing a cream that contains, as an adult, you are rubbing a cream that contains hydroquinone, steroids, or mercury. So and you are having this sensitive skin. Those that have sensitive skins are eligible to get this eczema that I'm talking about. So if you are rubbing those cream that contains hydroquinone, steroids, and mercury, and your skin is very, very sensitive, your skin reacts to anything that any lotion that has chemical, just know that you may have these eczema that we are talking about. Then the other one is when you are not taking care of your skin. You don't have a good hygiene. Maybe you wear clothes that is dirty, you just you just spray your body. You say, the clothes does not smell, let me just spray, but you don't take care of your clothes, you don't bathe well, you don't use a good soap and a good you don't use a good soap to be bathing yourself, all those ones there. And two, you don't take care of your clothes, you don't do some good personal hygiene, you may have this thing called eczema on your body. So in case you have eczema, okay, let me also talk about it. In case you are taking good care of yourself, you don't rub hydroquinone, then you wonder how you got this eczema on your skin. Especially, you can also get this eczema on your skin if you are sharing like towel, clothes with someone that has eczema also. So maybe you go to someone, your friend, or maybe your partner, your spouse, all those is having eczema on the body. Then you put on their clothes or you share towel with them. You can also have this thing called eczema. In case you're having eczema and you have been finding a way to get rid of eczema, because eczema is a very terrifying something that when it happens to your skin, especially on the part that people see, they will just say, this person is very, very dirty, or this person does not take care of this hygiene, or those does not have a good hygiene, or those. That is why you see eczema on the, especially on the face. You say, it's a dirty person that is having this eczema. In case you are having eczema and you don't really know how to get rid of eczema, or maybe you have tried other means of getting rid of eczema, I'm going to show you a remedy that works like magic, and it's not expensive, it's not going to break your bank, it's not going to cost you much in getting it, and it works like magic there. So what I'm going to show you is this Calamine Lotion. So this Calamine lotion works like magic in getting rid of eczema. It does not only work for eczema, it works for rashes. Maybe you're having rashes, like itch rashes on your body. This Calamine lotion also get rid of rashes and also get rid of measles. Maybe you are having measles, or your little one, your babies, your younger ones are having measles on their skin, and it's giving them some skin reaction, all those ones. You can also use Calamine lotion in rubbing the skin of that eczema, itch rashes, and measles, and you see that that skin, that measles, that itch rashes, or that eczema, you see that it will be getting smooth, the skin will be clearing away, the skin will be peeling, that eczema will be peeling out, all those. Before you see that skin will become like a newborn baby skin. So this calamine lotion really works like magic, even works more than magic there. So let me show you how it look like. So this is the bottle. You can see that I've used it up to here. So this calamine lotion, how do you use it? Look at how it is. So when you buy it, you can see it on pharmacy or chemist. You always see it on chemist and pharmacy. You can get it. It's called calamine lotion. You can see different type. Does not mean that it's this type. As far as calamine lotion and it's original, there is no issue about it. All those things. So this is how the calamine lotion look like. I don't know whether mhm. I don't know whether you can see it. So look at it. So you can see how it look like. This is how the calamine lotion look like. So how do you use this calamine lotion? That is it. That is the question. How do you use calamine lotion? Look at it. For example, I've applied the little I want to use here, or the little I want to use here, and so for example, I'm having the eczema or itch rashes or measles on this my hand here. Let me just use it as an example. On this my hand here. So I will just take the little I've applied here and apply to this place that I'm having it. You can see it. The affected area that I really want to treat, I will just apply it there. See it? I will just apply it there. You can see it. I've applied it. For example, that I'm having a eczema here or a rashes or a measles here. So I'll apply it there on that affected place, on that affected skin. So I'll apply it there. Then I will leave it. You can do it morning and night. You can be applying it morning and night. Although so it's going to dry off. When it dry off, you see that the following day, this particular place that I apply it on, the following day you see that it's having that peeling of that is healing that eczema. You see that you'll be seeing that that skin reaction of the eczema will be peeling out of it. So it depends on how serious the eczema reach, the eczema hits all those. So if you keep on using it, just like 1 to 2 weeks, you see that that eczema skin, that measles skin, or that itch rashy skin, you will not even see it again. You see that that reaction from that eczema, from that itch rashes, from that measles, you see that your skin will be very smooth. All those ones, the peeling out would have even gone. And two, make sure that it does not touches your eye. And two, and the second one, make sure that it does not touches your eye because you are rubbing it on children that is very very little. All those, so even children that is from 5 babies, all those, make sure that it does not touches their private part and their eyes too. So that is how you're going to use it. Although in case you are going and maybe answering, what about in the morning if I want to go out? Okay, if you want to go out in the morning, you don't apply it. You apply it in the evening. Then maybe Saturday or the day you are not going out, then you can apply it morning and evening. I'm showing you, I'm giving you 100% of 100% guarantee that is going to treat that eczema, is going to treat that itch rashes, and it's going to treat that measles out of your skin. In case you are following me, in case you have not subscribed, you may be wondering or you are asking yourself, should I subscribe to this channel? Should I not subscribe? It does not take anything from you to subscribe. It gives me encouragement that there is someone out there that is listening to my video, that is watching my video, that is following me, that want to know more about skincare. So it encouraged me to do more, to do my research, to do more, to come live and post video for you. So by encouraging me, please subscribe, comment, share my video, like. I will always, my phone number will always be at the comment section. In case you want to have one-on-one, you want to communicate with me, my WhatsApp number will be on the comment section. It's also going to be on the description box there. So thank you so very much for following me and the rest. In case you want to join my membership, you want to have one-on-one class with me, you want to be the first people that sees my video before public sees it. So I'm going to encourage you to join. There's something close to the bell icon there. It's called join. So click on it. It's very, very affordable. It's 1,005, 1,005, 2,000, 3,000, depend on how much you really want to be subscribing every month there. So you can encourage me by joining my membership there. Then in case you want to thank me, you want to say, I love your channel, I love what you are doing, There's also something there close to download. If you want to download any video, it's called thanks, super thanks there. So you can click on it. You can see super thanks of 1,500, depend on your capacity, depend on your budget. So you can also send me super thanks by thanking me that you are really doing well. I've learned a lot from your channel. Your channel has really given me a lot of information. It has educated me, all those ones, about how to take care of my skin. So you can also click on that thanks to appreciate me. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you. See you in my next video. Bye.